Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about this Veritas Volume Manager, how we can grow and how we can reduce the volume size of the disk. So in the environment, the major activity is performing under this volume, that the resize of the volume, how you can resize it. So whenever this disk size is full or volume is full, so I have created the file system under this Veritas Volume Manager, that is data volume 4. If suppose this data to mount point is full, at that time you need to extend it, right? So before extending you need to check the size of your DG. What is the DG size is having currently. So using this VX assist space hyphen G space, giving the DG name and give the max size. So here you can extend it up to 7422 MB, right? And if you want to check how you can grow your volume, so using VX assist space hyphen G space DG name space max grow space give the volume name. So you can extend it up to 7437 MB, right? So if suppose this condition is occurred in your environment, you need to check with the storage team. Storage team will provide the LAN. Now I have added two disks on my server. So using this VX disk space hyphen O space all DGS space list, I have added this SDI and SDZ two disks, and these are in online invalid mode. First I am making it as online using VX disk setup space hyphen I. These are the commands. You can initialize your disk and you can add both disk, or if you want to use SDI one disk, then you need to use this VXDG space hyphen G space DG name space add disk, giving the disk name I am giving this 5 is equals to SDI. This is the same procedure you need to follow in your environment. Now this disk added under this DG. Now you can check how size, what size you can extend for this DG. Now the size is extended till 8412 MB. Now I am checking same for this volume. The size is now extended. Now I am going to extend the volume size. There are four types, that is grow by, grow to, shrink by and shrink to. The total size is 15 MB. If suppose you want to grow by, that means you want to add, you need to add 4 GB under it. So using this VX resize space hyphen G space DG name space volume name, then specify the volume name, and I'm resizing it up to 9 MB. So I'm giving the plus 4 M. Now you can check the size is now grow by till 19 MB. If suppose I want to give 25 MB using grow to, then same command you need to use and specify the size 25 M. This is grow to. this is 25 MB. If I want to do shrink by, that means if I want 16 MB, then I need to reduce up to minus 9 M. So using minus 9 M, so the output will reflect 16 M, that is 16 M. Now if I want reduce it up to 5 MB, then you need to use 5 M, that is shrink to. So this is the method you can use to do the resizing of your volume in the environment. So these are the basic steps you need to use always. So thank you guys, thank you, bye bye.